Hello, welcome to our new video of installing and creating Visual Studio Code Flogo extension and creating new application. Let's look at these steps one by one and learn. In this video, you will learn how to install the Flogo extension in Visual Studio Code and create our first app with a simple timer trigger and log message flow. Before you start, make sure you have Visual Studio Code and Go installed on your system. Now let us see how to do the installation. Open Visual Studio Code from the Windows search. Click the extensions icon and select Install from VSIX. Now, browse .vsix file and click Install to complete the installation. Now, let's see how to create new app. Go to the Explorer and click the Flogo icon and type the name you want to give to your app and hit Enter, and there you go, you get two options, Create App and Unit Test or Create App Only. For now, select Create App Only. In the Flow Editor, go to Triggers and search for the timer trigger and drag and drop the timer trigger. In the trigger settings, you can check the multiple options for the timer. Now you can make the repeating to true and set interval to repeat 5 seconds. Click Save. After you set the timer trigger, now you need to select Log Message Activity from Activities. Now drag and drop the log message. Join the flow with the log message. Now click Log Message to open its settings. Go to Input Settings and type the message as required to appear in the message. Now click Save. That's it. The first thing you do is, you validate. You can see the success message at the bottom. Once that is done, you can build and run the configuration as shown. Once the compilation is done, you will get a successful message. Once the app is run successfully, you will see this message. And this message is shown when the app is built successfully. Still have doubts about this? Please refer to the documentation on docs.tibco.com to know more. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.